Good morning and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. It's Saturday morning. It's a little cool outside, but that's okay. I'll take this cool weather. The windows are open. Fizzy, my calico, is happy. She's in the window right now getting the morning news. So yeah, last night was creamy Cajun shrimp and corn pasta bake. It's good, 4 stars. It's just, yeah. If you look at the pictures, if you download the recipe, and if you look at their picture and my pictures, they're different. Theirs is done by a food stylist. Mine is real world. I had some extra Mazanon chili peppers. I added that. And I added just a little bit of Morita Chipotle chili powder. It just brought the flavors up. So yeah. So today is day 2 of the culinary expedition. I'll get it right one of these days. I've got 52 weeks to figure it out. Today we're going to Cambodia. This was fun because I had to source some ingredients that I have never used before. And one of them I had to order online. And I'm glad I did because it adds to my spice library. Yeah, you know me and spices. Tonight I'm preparing Bai Sach Chrouk. I hope I'm getting that right. This is a multi-part. There's a marinade. There's the pickling. Yeah, let's just get to it. Got the hardware going. Using my brazier. Technically the pork's supposed to be grilled, but I'm going to do it in a brazier. The saucepan is for the marinades, and the crockery is for white rice. Here's the pork. This is actually country-style ribs. I love this cut. It's wonderful. The marinade consists of coconut milk, soy sauce, fish sauce, lime juice, garlic. This is palm sugar. It's the sugar from palm trees. I've never used it before. Basically, I will grate this later. And the one thing I had to order online is this is a black pepper from Cambodia. It's Kampot pepper. Now, from my research, it's one of the most expensive black peppers in the world. Cilantro flake for garnish. And then over on there's actually pickled veggies in this recipe. I'm going to be using an English cucumber, daikon radish. I had a couple sources for the radish. This is just in place of the carrots. I'm actually going to pick up a carrot or two. I have to go out first thing. Rice vinegar. There's some fish sauce in this, and garlic, sugar, salt, and Thai peppers. I was able to get these locally. They're technically expensive by the pound, but when you only purchase, I bought more than this, and I got these at LA Merchandise. So these are the goodies for tonight's Cambodian meal. Wow, that was a lot of stuff to say. I got some knife work to do today. Woo-hoo, yeah. The pickling will do. I'm going to get as many hours as I can. I still have an 8:30 meeting. So I'm going to run to the store, grab some carrots, and get this pickling going. The pork will marinate for about 5 hours. Yeah. So, on this Saturday, I hope you have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking.